Hello everybody, how are we all going? It's a lovely day in Berwick. It's a bit overcast and it's nice and cool. Good day to do plenty of work, nice and dry. Today, first thing I've got to do is I've got to tidy up the mess I've made in here. I've got to find space for everything. Next thing after that, I'm going to fit some auxiliary bits to the car. I still don't have the shims to do the engine, but hopefully they'll come early to mid next week, and I'll have the engine done. I've organised myself a camera club meeting for Sunday, so hopefully I'll be set to go for that. Apart from that, I think just get tidied up, get on and do some bits and pieces. We're putting an auxiliary battery system together again today. I'm going to wire in a switch. What else have I got to do? I'm still waiting for the battery tray, so I can't put the batteries back in, but I can do everything else. So hey, I can put the batteries back in, I just can't fasten them down. But I'm not going to be driving anywhere for a while anyways. So let's get on with the tidying up. Just a quick note guys, if anybody has King's drawers and they've got one of those stainless steel slide-on tables that fit in the back, if you get the BCF drawers like I have, the table will still fit. It's a good thing. Well, it still fits in a single drawer anyway, so just letting you know. Hey everybody, I'm still clearing up, but I found these and I thought, why not fit these today? These are LED lights that I've got free from something, so I might fit them on the side. They might go under the awning and make a good setup light. See how we go. But they'll work for the switch I'm going to fit in. So I've had this since I worked at King's. It's a touchpad switch panel. I can set it up for 6 different things to turn on and off, so I'll use it for those lights. Because it's illegal to be able to illuminate lights from the outside of the car which don't point forwards from inside the driver's seat, so I'll have them set into the back. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is work out where to put the DC to DC charger. If I put it on the end of here, it's going to spoil my secret compartment from being opened, so I don't really want to do that. The other side, so from this side I've got a similar problem, because I'll just clear some of this crap out of the way, stuff out of the drawers. So my problem is I've got to put a battery tray here. It doesn't leave a lot of space. I could mount it on this side and mount the battery tray right over here. That might work, but I've got to be careful because my fridge is 800 long. It's going to be difficult. It isn't going to be easy, that's for certain. I could of course mount them to the bottom of the centre console fridge mount over here. I could mount them to the back of this here. That is another option, and that will not stop me from opening up the secret compartment, and it won't interfere with the batteries. It's also not too far away from anything that's happening, so that would work too. I really don't know what to do. Oh, I'll work it out. Okay everybody, what I've decided to do is attach it, and I have already done so, to the centre console, and I'm going to put the fridge back on it now and we'll see how we go. But that's left me lots of space in here. I can still access under there for putting things like my multimeter and the battery pack and things like that. So I haven't lost any space. I've lost a little bit of space at the back, but I've still got access to my drawer. Everything's still the same. So as you can see, I didn't get much fitted today. However, I have got the top of the drawers I'll give you a bit of a quick warning. If you do go to Boating, Camping, Fishing to buy their drawers, check the screw, in fact replace the countersunk screws that hold the top on, because they're all garbage. They just snap and you've got to redo the nutserts and they're a pain in the butt. Anyway, I've got a King's harness. Now this is a little device I bought at TJM when I was working there. It's a better isolator than the one I've got, a lot better. So I'm going to replace my isolator for this one. This is a 2-inch lighting kit. There are 3-inch work lights and then there are these ones. I always preferred these to these. The problem with these was they didn't look that bright to me. These ones always look like they'd be brighter. You see the difference there. Anyway, I'm not sure which is brighter. I might use them all, I might not. I might use the ones that are the brightest. We shall see. Anyway, I haven't got them fitted either. I haven't got my battery monitor connected up yet because I'm still waiting for the battery tray, and I still got this device to fit whenever I get round to it. Apart from that, I've cleaned out the garage. I've done a lot of work today. Done a lot of drilling, a lot of refitting, a lot of other odds and ends. Done a lot of tidying up. Unfortunately, or fortunately for me, the house 3 down from us is up for rent, and the people have just moved out and have left a load of hard rubbish for a hard rubbish collection. So I've just been down and put a few things on there, including my old snorkel tube, a bean bag which the council didn't seem to be able to manage to get rid of. Now, I have done some stuff ups, and I'll tell you another one. I did some shim calculating, the shims we've got in a box up there, and I have 4 at $2.75, and I've just ordered another 5 because I thought I needed them. Anyway, it is what it is. I've sorted the paperwork out, I've sorted the bench out. There's still a few bits and pieces to do, but I'm getting there. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully we'll have the engine done next video. Until that point, see you on the next one.